one of the most extraordinary things that we have ever seen in a government. For 10 years, come 2022, we shall have been led by the Jubilee government. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing things that are unbelievable. When a president on one side is calling a conference to talk about the COVID crisis in the country, his deputy is doing wheelbarrows somewhere else. We are seeing a situation where somebody is disowning their own boss. If this is not serious, if this is what we call governance, I do not understand governance anymore. How can you be part of a government? We are reeling from the impact of debt from that government. We are seeing higher figures of poverty. We are seeing increased corruption. We are seeing farmers not being paid in a timely manner. We are seeing medicine not being there in our hospitals. We are seeing county governments not receiving their money and they cannot pay their salaries, and even essential staff are not being paid. We are basically all under siege. But surprisingly, now we see a scenario where the deputy president is telling the president, sorry, I'm not part of it. It is you. Is this deceit? Or what is it? You formed the government together. If there are failings in the government, you cannot now run away from those failings.